Hey guys, so today I'm showing you guys how I got this flawless, simple, everyday makeup look using drugstore products. Let's go ahead and get started. So for concealing underneath my makeup, I'm using the NickaK concealers, the Pro HD concealers, in replacement of the LA Girl Pro concealers because if you guys follow me, I've stated that the LA Girl products have a chemical that's pretty harmful and has been proven to cause cancer in some research studies, so I stay away from those. So I'm using a damp sponge and I'm just letting this concealer sit for like a few minutes so that it can dry. Now I'm going to apply my foundation. This is why I conceal underneath. This is basically color correcting so that when I put my foundation on, I can stop there. You know, some people like to go all the way glam, but you know, if you're a simple person like myself, all you need is a concealer and some foundation for those of you who do have dark scars and spots and hyperpigmentation issues underneath, as I do. So this is the Neutrogena Skin Clearing Foundation. It has salicylic acid in it, so it helps prevent pimples and clogged pores. This is actually like my perfect color, and I'm very surprised that Neutrogena has expanded their shades a little bit because years ago we didn't really have darker colors. But I would love for them to expand even more, you know. So anywho, the foundation is really good and very lightweight, and it doesn't look cakey at all. And I love this brush from Wet n Wild. This is a flat top brush for $2. I got it from Walgreens and I got it from Walmart because I've purchased like 4 of them. And the bristles, it just evenly distributes the foundation all over. It's literally the best that I've used as far as makeup application tools. And with this, I never really have to use my beauty blender either. And also, since this is my complexion foundation, I don't have to like blend all down my neck because to me that's just not cool. I just don't want to mess up my clothes, and I feel like if it's the right color, then you don't have to blend that far down. But however, I do blend underneath my jawbone just to, you know, connect my face complexion and my neck because they are naturally 2 different colors. Over time I've gotten darker in my face, but my chest and my neck are the same color, a bit lighter than my face. So that's pretty much why I even wear makeup, and that might be why some of you guys wear makeup. So this is just my basic routine on how I do things. And also, don't forget to get your ears. Now I'm moving on to concealing. I'm using the concealer in Coffee just to do a little highlight underneath my eyes to prevent any bags. Well, not to prevent, but to cover up bags, and to also blend out my eyelids because they're a little darker. And this stuff is perfect for my pictures and stuff too, so yeah, it's just a little concealer. And I forgot to mention that these are only like $1.99 or $2.99 at my local beauty supply store. I'm not sure where else they carry NickaK, but you can look online for her products or you can purchase them online. And I'm using a wet sponge because that really helps move the product around my face or wherever the area is, and it gives it more of a flawless blend. And even when I like use powders or anything like that, if you do use face powder, I still would kind of use a damp one just to make sure it's not powdery or cakey looking. This is how you avoid the cake face. Now I'm using my black Opal setting powder just to set everything in place. I'm using the color medium. They do have darker colors too if you're a woman of color. They also have lighter colors also, like the Laura Mercier. And I just use a little bit, but even if you do use too much, if you use a wet sponge, it won't look cakey. And if you use a setting spray afterwards like I do, it still won't look cakey. Like, you can barely tell that I used it. And you don't have to bake with this. You can just leave it on as is. If you do have too much, you can use a powder brush and wipe away any excess. And this is my favorite setting spray. This is the Photofocus Natural Setting Spray from Wet n Wild. It's about $3 at your local drugstores, Target, CVS, Walmart, Duane Reade for you New Yorkers, and Rite Aid also. Anywhere that carries Wet n Wild. And I'm gonna skip my eyebrows because I already have an eyebrow tutorial in my descriptions box. And for the lipstick, I'm using a NickaK lipstick. It's just a regular nude, and I'm using the Almay Lipgloss that I got from Walmart. Both of these together were probably about $5. I'm sorry, Ruby Kisses lipstick. And then I'm using a regular dark brown eyeliner or lip liner. Either one obviously is good, but it's just like $1 literally from my local beauty supply store or Walgreens. And these are the Wisp lashes, and my glue, I use natural hair glue or whatever, and it just acts up sometimes. But this is just how I apply my eye, what are these things again? Eyelashes. And I just look upwards, and then I just place them in the middle, and then I fix the edges. And I usually blow on them too while I'm applying them with my bottom lip, like a blowfish. But it works for me. And that's basically it on this look. I do have another more simple look with no foundation. And I forgot, I did mess up my eyelashes by applying the mascara too harshly. But this is the Lash Stiletto from Maybelline. This is one of my favorites since like 2011. But if you make a mistake, you can just go in and use the concealer brush. And this mascara is about $7 or $8 from my drugstore. And that's basically it. Alright, so this is the final look. I could have added some more setting spray, but you know, this is it. Everyday beat. I will spray some more. Just for the one time. So that's it for the video. Yes, I'm gonna also post another question on the poll in the community tab, so make sure you guys go there and vote on the next video you'd like to see. I do have a few talk videos that I need to talk about. I have, of course, you guys know some of the health issues that I've been having recently, so well, not of course, but some of you guys that have watched my last vlog or my last video, I still have those videos planned. So some of these topics are old, but I still want to talk about them. So yeah. So as I was talking, everything has dried. We're looking really good here. Hair from my hair company. I did discontinue this wig because I don't have time to construct the wig and curl it. I do still have the curly wig and the blunt cut bob up. I do still have the bundles though, so you guys can watch the tutorial on how I make my wigs, same process, and you can get the bundles. Also, I will have a Valentine's Day sale coming up. The sale actually starts next Wednesday, so the 31st. And it's going to be a week long, so you know, girl, y'all can get these coins ready. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys check out my previous videos and see you in my next video.